Do you have a business website? And does it provide an effective digital presence that meets your sales expectations? Studies show that websites with an appealing aesthetics and a good technical score result in increased customer trust, retention, sales, and brand awareness. Coding Pro website development and maintenance plans will get your website designed and developed for free with no upfront charges and unlimited revisions during the development phase. With an easy and flexible pay-and-go monthly subscription website maintenance package. The package provides free domain name, free hosting and SSL, free maintenance and updates. Within this package, we can ensure that your website is fully optimized and customized as per your business needs. No downtime of the website and no registration or hidden charges. We believe that our plans are financially viable, with plans starting from $50 a month. Furthermore, our business can continue to provide you additional support depending on your needs at friendly rates. We also believe in no lock-in contracts or restriction clauses. So if you or your business is not happy, you can leave your subscription plan and we will welcome you back at any time. Just with a few clicks, Coding Pro can help your business. Visit us at plans.codingpro.com.pk.